AMG logo, different animation than AMG line. So let's start the car. So I will start it in Sport Plus, and if you hold this pedal shifter, then it has a higher rev, louder startup, and you can see it here. So let's do it. Foot on the brake. Actually, I'm not sure if I can do it when holding a camera. Maybe I can hold it with this hand and press the button. Okay. Okay, so let's do it. So immediately the startup is louder, 2000 something RPMs. So let's start it again without this pedal shifter. So the RPMs are lower without. So let's do it. Let's check the exhaust. So you can have a louder exhaust note when you start it like this.